Let's break it down. The local zones for AVAX were more than okay to open trade. Now a lot of people wait the higher continuation, but I wish to see this move because we can grab the liquidity under $8.50 because this is on a monthly liquidation levels on a Binance. We can see the liquidity pool kind of here. By end of the month, we can drop to 8.59. For me, it's going to be the best setup to open trade. Like this drop, everybody who trade classic trend lines, will open more short positions because it's like for them, it's going to be like confirmation. So in a downtrend, and everybody waits something like this one. But I wish to see this sweep 892 and 859, maybe with 843. This one set up for continuation because we trade, like I showed you in the last videos. This is impulse and it's just a basic consolidation with a deviation at the top. And for me, continuation will be to 1134. It's on a daily time frame, the 100 EMA, and the around $15. It's 200 EMA. Based on indicators, guys, on a daily time frame. Now, just like a hopium. Positive on the market, weekly time frame, it's total capitulation disbelief. That's why for the spot position, I think even now, more than okay accumulates AVAX. Of course, guys, the market can't go down all the time, just forever. Of course, only if the tokens will be delisted from exchanges. Yes, it's possible, but I don't think so. The Avalanche is one of that tokens, which under the risk of delisting. All right, the time frame also here, 200 EMA, it's 1133. But lines are dynamic. That's why I highly recommend you just use this indicator to track it. By latest news, guys, Animoca brand, invests in AVAX, and wants to expand the Avalanche in Asia and the Middle East. I'm not sure this is a good and some extra positive for the AVAX because Animoca brand invests in many top projects, which is just absolutely one share of the market. So I highly recommend you just go and check the previous investment of Animoca brand and not blindly follow the big venture funds or the big names because you remember the big guys invested in the BBL. The token just crashed down like to zero, just literally to zero. Because sometimes the venture funds just invest some money in that took a profit and forgot about the project and not work anymore on some roadmap what they're promising. That's why, guys, all that news, sometimes it's just a pure marketing and what they want to do, expand the adoption in Asia. So we need a clear plan. We need some clear actions to show the result, not just some talk. All right, so we can close this one and this one. Let's double check the ADZ direction, guys. Here is neutral zone on 12 time frame, daily time frame. It's neutral. That's why I wish to see the drop. Of course, it's possible to see the deviation at the bottom. So here, yes, it's possible to see something like this one by beginning of the April, but I don't think so. We will. So based on the daily, we're neutral. This was accumulation. Based on the direction indicator, we just in the middle line. So it's not bullish, not bearish, just neutral also. Weekly, we're in a crazy accumulation. If we check here was accumulation pump, and now we see the same story. Of course, this liquidity pool already swept it, technically. This one is also. So the pool of zone 22, this one, zone 21, zone 23, zone 22 is already swept. So I don't see any reason why we have to drop lower. But yes, of course, it's possible. It's possible to drop even to this block, for example. But I don't think so. So my plan for the AVAX is still the same. So I wish to see something like this one go over than $40. And maybe we're going to stop it here for this year. And after that, crash it down one more time. If not, the positive case can be even over than a high of zone 24. But let's firstly break this high, like 15. And maybe this summer, it's going to be this low and form something like double bottom locally and go higher over than $40. So I truly believe that AVAX will be one of the top performer in the future. So I think the AVAX here to stay. So locally ADZ, I showed you my setup is here. I'm waiting the sweep of 890. If we double check, by the way, on or 48 hour 2 days liquidation heat map, the levels, it's all the time playing out. So like a great zone, for the long and the short, because here 938, and this is what I told you, 854. So 854. So this one, like 849, 875. For me, I added alerts, will be like potential zone where more than okay, try open the futures trade. The worst case scenario, guys, for the spot, if this is like a wedge, and we trade in this wedge, the size of that drop could be even under the $6. Maybe we can't know the future. That's why this zone for me personally is like a zone for futures trade with the leverages. Stop loss going to be under the 845 or 817. To open short now, I don't see any reason, because it's a 1-to-1 ratio, like your 11% stop loss, and I don't know, big profits, the same story. So even with the second leverage, like 1-to-1 ratio, no makes sense to trade it. For a trade on indicator, I add alert, take profit signal from this 12-hour time frame, sell. So I need to confirmation, take profit. So we need to close all short position locally on a 12 time frame, 4 time frame. And I would like to wait with notification, the signal to buy for reversal move futures. With the targets, guys, take a look, take profit indicator. Here, the buy line, what I told you before, if it's just the range, and here, we trade like in a wedge. If it's a deviation, we can crash it down to form deviation at the bottom at the buy line 721. Possible, but we take an action or not. That's why for me, it's more like bullish, because even everybody waiting this test like support. If we break it, everybody gonna open the short position, because we like broke the wedge down. So it's will be like confirmation. We should drop it much lower, and the size of that drop could be the buy line on the 12 time frame. It can be the 622. Take profit line now, it's 1228. Take profit line on the daily, it's 1443. Exit line 1624. So this is it. And the last money power I would like to show you here. No money inflow, nothing. That's why for me it's not enough reason to open long now. I'm waiting the new money inflow. So waited something like this one, money inflow by end of the month, and reversal move. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, is right medium. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.